Yeah? No? I did the worst. I almost died just trying to start this video. I did the worst thing that a YouTuber could do, which is I already just went ahead and started the install because I wanted to make sure that this even fits before I just started video, and then all of a sudden now it doesn't fit and then the video is just pointless. But we got the hooker manifolds on, and it sounds so funny, but on this side the hooker manifold isn't fitting because I saw this on Donut Media as well too, where they pulled the motor to get the passenger side to fit. I'm going to take off the shield to the OEM fuel line that is like tucked right there. I'm gonna take that off. I personally don't care if I bend the OEM fuel line, because if that means I have to run just 2 AN lines, because I'm gonna do a return as well too, that's fine. I mean, it's gonna allow more flow anyway, so it's not a big deal. Everybody that was telling me like, oh, this isn't gonna fit, just use the OEM ones, I can 100% confirm that the hooker turbo manifolds 1000% do fit in the 370Z at least so far on the driver's side. And then passenger side, I want to confirm right now, but what the hell? But I'm gonna go ahead and take that off, and let's see, dude, we haven't made movement in like 3 months because I haven't put a single dime into this car. Now, this was like one of the main things that was missing to continue. I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of demoralizing too, because people who were quoting me to do the manifold for this swap, man, it was like in a realm of like $2,000 just for manifold. So this $600 fits perfect. And also like I said, I don't want to say this side fits perfect, because you still have to do some finagling, because also the same thing with the coil pack in the back. I'm pretty sure I'm going to cut the firewall just in that specific area, like just kind of notch out like a rectangle, because the spark tube wires, which I already took them out, they don't fit absolutely perfect back there. That is the only tight spot of the LS swap. So I was looking so long for an electric throttle body. I want to keep it dry by wire, which if you don't know what that means I have an electronic. The 370Z comes with it's not cable driven for the pedal, it's electronic, so it's getting electronic feedback. And personally, I want to keep that. I know a lot of people like the cable because it gives more direct immediate response, but you can always tune that, and it won't be the exact same, but that's just what I'm used to and that's what I like. I spent so long looking for a throttle body that was good quality that I can use for my setup, just to find out that the damn Tahoe I got this out of has an electronic throttle body already. So it's not like a big bore one, but it's gonna allow me to at least get the car started. I fell into the typical LS swap thing where it's like you're doing that thing where you're modifying it and you're like, well, I'm already here, so I'm gonna, and I kept doing that and doing that and doing that to the point where it's just delaying me. So enough talk. I'm gonna show you guys the throttle body when it's on, and also I'm gonna try and finagle this to see if I can get it to work, and if I can't, I'll pull the motor up. It's no big deal. It doesn't have to come all the way out. I just gotta get enough lift to actually be able to make that fit. But for those who have been waiting for these months, thank you guys for being patient. I know I made a lot of drift content. Formula Drift has been it's gonna start, well, it has started, but it's coming to Atlanta, so that means I'm gonna be very busy filming, and also I have something to tell you guys about that. But yeah, like I said, let's get started. This is the throttle body that's on the stock truck manifold, but now that I'm looking at this, I see that it's bolted up in 3, like with 3 little nuts. So, and this one is bolted up with 4 studs. So I'm pretty sure there's an adapter I'm probably gonna have to purchase, but that's why you test things and you find out now, so that way I don't have to wait forever and think like, oh, we're gonna start this car just to find out we're not. All right, so went ahead and got it taken off. So I'm going to see, and honestly, if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna put it back on because I want as much shielding as possible, because I don't want to start a fire on this car. But now it's off, we have a bunch more space, and it's just realistically the firewall back there. Look, man, if it doesn't fit, it doesn't fit. I'm not gonna force it, but I think we are fine. But that is a tight space. All right, let's hope and pray that I can get this thing in here, because that will be a dope flip. I wonder if I'm supposed to flip. No, I can't. I won't flip that. Look, it's so annoying. Okay. Yeah, damn, dude. Doing this with the motor in the vehicle, very annoying. It's stuck. Come on. Wow. As soon as we start filming, it's got issues. Okay. right, well, I guess this is a good time to show what the turbo manifolds look like. These things are heavy, dude. I think these are cast iron, which is like, I mean, damn, dude. I don't know. Yeah, no. It's not. That's. I mean, it's not where it's gonna do it from. But round 2. What I'm worried about is that part in the back. Bro, I am like right there, but actually it looks like what's hitting. So I think the motor has to come out. Should I just let this motor up and get it on? Should I give it another go? You think I should try again?
Yeah, 3rd time's a charm.
3rd time's a charm. Dude, this motor is dirty. If this doesn't work, I'm blaming you.
Okay. Or if you just need tiny people hands.
You know, that would be useful right now. You do it.
What?
You do it.
Is it heavy to do?
Oh, it's super heavy. Or what if I'm putting it on the wrong way like an idiot? Is it supposed to be this way? Hold on. Let's Google real quick. Hold on. I already got one spark plug off. Honestly, these spark plugs are pretty fouled out anyway, and I have the other ones in the house, but I'm not gonna put them on anyway. I have to get the motor pulled, and I'm sending it off to Zeal Automotive, so Justin's gonna be taking care of the motor when it comes down to like seals, refreshing everything, putting in the cams, valves, retainers. So this is just literally for mounting purposes, but look how thick your boy looks getting these spark plugs off. Get in there.
You're clenching your butt.
You like that stance? Is that what it is? Yeah?
Yep.
Man's be looking thick, boy. What I did also to create more space, I took off, I don't know what this is. I'm not sure if this is for like the heater hose, because if this is it, this is gonna be hella weird to get back there. But I took off the hoses that were here, and I'm gonna just plug it to keep it safe. And then I'm just like I said, I'm taking off all those spark plugs so I can have space, because the issue now is that I can't get the manifold like up. So I'm just taking anything that might smack it, get it out the way. Let's finish, man. If I'm gonna refresh the motor anyway, I'm not gonna put the old spark plugs in anyway, so it kind of just doesn't matter. This is crazy because look how much oil is in that. Like, LS things, man, just leaking oil everywhere. It's almost like a DE.
It's stay by the trash can.
Huh?
So you can stay by the trash can.
What do you mean? I might as well throw my car in it. Yeah, LS can leak oil bad too. Like, I make a lot of jokes, but a lot of guys don't take care of their motors. As you can see, this thing was pissing oil everywhere, hence why it's so caked up. And I'm not gonna clean it. I'm gonna let whoever is building it, or I should hot bath it, but I'm probably gonna hot bath it. It's like chemical to clean the block and then just make it look like almost brand new, but it won't. Oh, that spark plug's actually not bad. They don't even have the same spark plugs. What in the cheap? And they use Autolite? Some LS people, man, y'all are worse than some DE people, bro.
What? I've been waiting.
Go look at your valve covers.
I've been waiting. It's not my fault.
Whose fault is it?
Yours.
How's it my fault? It's not even my car. My car doesn't even run. You think I'm gonna work on yours?
You have.
I have. That's the problem. It's taken away from my car. That's why it doesn't run. Let's get my hooker on. All right. Oh, so much more space for activities. Ow! That crushed my hand. All right, so I'm almost there. It's gotta get. God damn! It's so close, man. It's close. It's just these nipples.
Why do you keep looking at me?
It's the nipples. Because if I don't care if I have heat or not in this car, to be honest. It's just more, you like the seps. Your boy's been working out again. You like the seps.
Yeah, that's why you're thick.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You just be like, you know what I mean?
Didn't see him.
Oh, damn. Why you gotta do it? Why you gotta do it to me?
It's
Hype
the
me
shirt.
up.
It's the shirt.
No, you gotta hype me up. Be
I
like,
can hype you
oh
up.
damn, babe, I can see it through the shirt. All right. Looks like they don't fit with the motor in the car. So yeah, if there's any kind of update, I don't know. Y'all see in the next clip, I guess. it fits, the clearance is there. Now the only part is a problem is that where the turbo would mount, the AC compressor actually does not work with these headers. You can get something to relocate it to put it to the top apparently, but I have a 370Z compressor that I want to use so that way I can run AC lines, you know, like factory ones. Well, not factory ones, but I would have to get, you know, you get what I mean. So it's out for now. Driver's side fits perfect. I'm gonna get back to this another time. I'm just gonna let this be, and then I'm gonna try to see if I can just mount this throttle body. But that's just how it is, man. That's just swaps, dude. Like, even on the VR swap, I still had to do certain things to make it all work, but cars are just like very expensive Legos. I'm gonna figure out what works, and then, like I said, I'm gonna do that throttle body, see if I can just at least get it kind of mocked up, and then wash this thing. I got the throttle body off. This is the OEM one, which, like I said, it's not like a 102 millimeter, or I forgot what millimeter. It's not a big one. So, you know, I'm no mathematician, I'm no mathologist, but I do know that 4 is more than 3. So I'm pretty sure there's gonna have to be an adapter, and it's probably gonna push it out to maybe like around here or something. I don't know, but the good thing is that there's still good clearance, and I'm wondering if I can still get piping through without relocating the alternator, because I want to make this as budget friendly as possible. But anywho, thank y'all for being patient. I'm gonna leave it here, wash the car up, kind of get started for round 2. But if you guys haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe, and then I'll show you guys, you know, you guys get to follow along on what the fix is. Stay blessed, see you on the next video.